Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common error that many of you may have encountered when working with Azure AI Search, the BadRequestError, during creating embedding for Azure AI Search. This error can be frustrating and confusing, especially if you're new to Azure or natural language processing. But don't worry, in this video we'll break down what's going on behind the scenes and provide a step-by-step explanation of how to resolve this issue. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the concepts involved and be able to troubleshoot and fix this error with confidence. So let's dive right in. The BadRequestError during creating embedding for Azure AI Search typically occurs when there's an issue with the input data or the configuration setting. The error message itself isn't very informative, but it usually points to a problem with the input field. To understand what's going on, let's take a step back and review how Azure AI Search works. Azure AI Search is a cloud-based service that allows you to index and search large volumes of data using natural language processing techniques. When you create an embedding for your data, you're essentially creating a mathematical representation of the text that can be used for searching and filtering. Now, when you encounter the BadRequestError, it usually means that there's something wrong with the input data or the way it's being processed. This could be due to a variety of reasons such as invalid characters, incorrect formatting, or mismatched data type. To resolve this issue, you'll need to review your input data and configuration settings carefully. Check for any errors in formatting, syntax, or data types. Make sure that the input data is valid and correctly formatted according to the Azure AI Search requirements. One way to think about it is to imagine you're trying to send a package to someone. What? If the address on the package is incorrect or invalid, the delivery person won't be able to deliver it. Similarly, if your input data has errors or is invalid, Azure AI Search won't be able to process it correctly. To summarize, here are the key points to take away from this video. The BadRequestError during creating embedding for Azure AI Search usually occurs due to issues with the input data or configuration settings. Review your input data and configuration settings carefully to identify any errors or invalid formatting. Check for incorrect syntax, data types, or formatting that may be causing the issue. That's it for today's video on troubleshooting the BadRequestError during creating embedding for Azure AI Search. We hope you found this explanation helpful in resolving this common error. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos on Azure natural language processing and other related topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.